Oh, okay then. That's all, ladies. That's all. Oh man.
Hey, y'all know he got a girlfriend, right?
Lock in. You know I don't.
Yes, you do. You told me.
Again, we're gonna heal soon.
Did you tell me?
Lock in, man. We're gonna heal soon.
5 years.
We're gonna heal.
Oh, crap. Y'all been together for 5 years?
Shut up.
What?
We're gonna heal.
You're gonna propose to her next week?
Lock in, bro.
Seriously?
This girl's here.
Wait.
Lock in.
Grace upon grace, from grass to grace, from zero to hero. Mfana uyu awanirwa nyasha. Mfana anonzi Mudiwa jani awanirwa nyasha. Hakuna zimwe nyasha zinodarika apa. Izi ndo zonzi nyasha. So we see kuti speed angari ku Ethiopia and abva adana Mudiwa jani kuti auye kuti vaite ma streams avo vese. So it's something njani atopinda and is very lucky. Ndiyo anonzi maropafadzwa. Kana Mwari wakurangarira hakuna munhu anoramba, hakuna anozvirambidza. Idzi ndo dzonzi grace.